Today's tip is mainly for new lash artists, because as you know, new lash artists, when you're practicing on a mannequin, and a mannequin and the hair on the practice lashes, they're synthetic base. The synthetic base is quite slippery, so you notice you've got a 1 second glue. But however, when you dip the glue and you place it onto the practice lashes, they take ages to dry. So there's a few number of reasons that could be. One could be your humidity. You need to check your humidity, whether it's too high, too low, reason that's why it's not taking too long to dry, or because it's plastic and that's why your glue is taking so long to dry. So if you were to get your own hair strand and stretch it out and glue it on like somewhere, got 2 points, one point A and point B, glue them along those 2 points and practice placing your lashes. If you're practicing plastic lashes, this is the one really good way. Make sure you practice on your natural lash, because it's going to attach and grab onto the glue just as much as the eyelashes. So like if you're an advanced lash artist and you're practicing making your own fans or wrapping your fan, this is the technique that I teach my students. By wrapping it, you get a chance to feel how it is to wrap the actual fan or placing your plastic lashes onto the natural hair. So this is the great technique that I teach in my classes. How I came up with this tip was from a friend. She's done a lash course, but she was asking how come I've got a 1 second glue, but it takes too long to dry. I showed her that tip and she's gone home and she's like, oh, thank you. It was so helpful. She found it really useful because now the glue attached straight away, it bonded straight away. And one thing that she's managed to improve on. And also with making your own fans as well. I will be showing you tips on how to crystallize your fans so you're able to keep it and use it for your clients. I will share a tip with you in the next coming day. Till then, I hope you guys enjoyed. Anyway, have a good day and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.